In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. To make this practical, we'll walk through how to add a custom field in Asana step by step so you can capture the exact details your team needs beyond the standard task name, assignee, and due date. First, log into your Asana account on your desktop. Working on desktop gives you the full project toolbar and makes setup easier. Once you're in, open the project where you want this custom field to live. This ensures the field is created in the right place and visible to your teammates who use that project. At the top of the project, just above the task list or board, click the button labeled Add Field. This is where all your project-specific fields are managed. In the menu that appears, choose Create New. You could select an existing field if one fits your needs, but creating a new one keeps your tracking tailored to this project. Next, enter a clear field title. Examples include priority, status, or time spent. Keep it short and unambiguous so everyone understands what belongs there at a glance. Now pick the field type that matches the kind of data you want to track. Choose text when you need short notes or a simple descriptor. Use number for hours, minutes, or any numeric values you may want to sort or total later. Select drop-down if you want predefined choices like high, medium, and low, which helps standardize data entry across the team. Choose date when you're marking custom deadlines or milestones that aren't the main due date, but still matter for planning. Before you finish, think about consistency. Decide with your team how values should be entered, like using the same words and units, so your sorting and filtering stay meaningful. Clear conventions up front save time and prevent messy data down the line. If you plan to use the same field in multiple projects, turn on Add to My Workspaces field library. This saves the field so you can reuse it elsewhere without rebuilding it every time. When you're ready, click Create Field. Your new custom field will appear across every task in this project. From here, click into the field on any task to add or update the value. As work progresses, you can revise values to reflect the latest status, and your project view will stay consistent and easy to scan. That's it for setting up a custom field in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.